In this video, we can talk about top 5 Resemble AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Coup channel, your ultimate destination for technology reviews and comparisons. In today's video, we will find top contenders to Resemble AI, a popular text-to-speech solution, and the top 5 alternatives of Resemble AI, which are FakeYou, Play to HD, Deepbrain AI, TTSMaker, and Audioread. From emotionally infused voice synthesis to AI-powered auto-briefing, these alternatives are set to take your content to new heights. Our first alternative is FakeYou. FakeYou is an innovative text-to-speech tool designed to convert written text into natural-sounding, human-like speech. It offers features like text-to-speech, voice-to-voice, and video lip sync. This tool is widely used across various industries to enhance user experience, create engaging content, and offer accessibility options for visually impaired individuals. The standout feature of FakeYou lies in its ability to maintain the emotional nuances of the input text, ensuring that the generated speech carries the appropriate tone and sentiment. Second alternative on our list is Play.hd. Play.hd is a sophisticated AI-driven platform that serves as a valuable resource for content creators, podcasters, and e-learning professionals, enabling them to convert written content into high-quality audio format effortlessly. It offers features like text-to-voice editor, audio widgets, and voice cloning. Play.hd utilizes a blend of automatic speech recognition and natural language processing to deliver human-like audio experience. One standout feature of Play.hd is its AI-powered auto-briefing, which generates concise and engaging summaries of written articles, ideal for news updates and briefings. Moving on, we have Deepbrain AI. Deepbrain AI is a powerful text-to-speech tool that finds extensive applications in the fields of voiceovers, audiobook production, and interactive voice response systems. It comes with excellent features such as avatar customization, text-to-speech, and PowerPoint to video. Deepbrain AI deep learning models leverage vast datasets to continuously improve the quality of speech synthesis, resulting in an impressive experience. One of the standout features of Deepbrain AI is its ability to generate contextually aware speech, adapting its intonation and pacing based on punctuation and grammar for a natural flow of conversation.
Moving on, we have TTSMaker. TTSMaker is an intuitive text-to-speech tool aimed at content creators and businesses seeking to enhance user experiences through audio content. It offers excellent features like multi-language support, sample voices, and video dubbing. TTSMaker allows you to save the generated audio in various formats like MP3, WAV, and OGG, enabling seamless integration into different projects. The standout feature of TTSMaker is its extensive library of voice options, ranging from different accents to diverse age groups, allowing you to tailor the generated audio to suit your target audience precisely.
Last but certainly not least, we have Audioread. Audioread is a versatile tool that offers a convenient Chrome extension for text-to-speech capabilities directly in the browser. It offers features like drag and drop PDF, text highlight, and offline mode availability. The customizable voice settings of Audioread empower you to adjust speech characteristics to match your preferences. It also comes with a standout feature, which is the ability to create audio bookmarks, allowing you to mark specific points in the generated speech for easy reference and navigation. Compared to Resemble AI, FakeYou differentiates itself by delivering emotion-infused voice synthesis, providing a unique capability to create content with nuanced expressions and engaging storytelling. Play.hd comes with AI-driven auto-briefing, enabling you to automatically generate concise and captivating summaries of written articles effortlessly. Deepbrain AI stands out by offering contextually aware speech synthesis and adapting intonation, providing a more natural and coherent interaction. TTSMaker offers an extensive collection of pre-built audio effects, allowing users to add unique touches like echoes or reverb to the generated speech. Apart from offline mode availability, Audioread provides convenient browser extension compatibility to help users convert text to speech while browsing the web seamlessly. After carefully evaluating the given alternatives, we would recommend Played HD as the best alternative to Resemble AI. Played HD distinguishes itself with its diverse range of voices, customizable speech parameters, and seamless integration with popular platforms. While all the alternatives have their merits, Played HD's ability to automatically create brief and engaging summaries sets it apart and addresses a specific need that other alternatives do not explicitly offer. We've reached the end of our video to find out the finest alternatives to Resemble AI. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.